Hello students, welcome back. Let's start a new chapter, Unraveling Genetic Miseries. Observe the picture. You have understood that children acquire certain features from their parents. Besides, don't the children show certain features different from their parents? Look at the girl and the boy. The girl has curly hair, whereas the boy has straight hair. Likewise, find out such differences from the picture. The children may inherit certain features either from their mother or father. Features that are not seen in the parents may also be found in children. The transmission of features of parents to offspring is termed as heredity. The features which is seen in the offsprings that are different from their parents are called variations. The branch of science that deals with heredity and variations is called genetics. In this chapter, you are getting some new words such as inheritance, trait, allele, gamete, dominant, recessive. Emergence of genetics. The inferences formulated by a scientist named Gregor Johann Mendel on the basis of hybridization experiments carried out in pea plants led to the foundation of genetics. Mendel is considered as the father of genetics. Now, let us learn the life history of Gregor Johann Mendel. Gregor Johann Mendel was born in a middle-class peasant family at Brunn in Austria, now Czech Republic, in 1822. In 1854, he started hybridization experiments. In 1856 to 1863, he grew about 29,000 pea plants for his experiments. In 1856 to 1863, he formulated well-known laws of inheritance. In 1866, he published his findings. Mendel died in 1884. Even though Mendel's findings were published in 1866, it couldn't get enough recognition. The significance of his findings was identified by research works conducted later. Students, write these questions in your notebook. Gregor Johann Mendel conducted his experiments in pea plants. Mendel analyzed the inheritance of 7 pairs of contrasting characters in pea plant. And the 7 contrasting characters are: for the character height, the trait is tall and dwarf. For the character position of the flower, the trait is terminal and axial. For the character shape of the seed, the trait is round and wrinkled. For the character color of the seed, the trait is green and yellow. For the character color of the flower, the trait is purple and white. For the character shape of the pod, the trait is inflated and constricted. For the character color of the fruit, the trait is yellow and green. Do you know why Gregor Johann Mendel selected pea plant? The scientific name for the pea plant is Pisum sativum. For his experiment, he chose pea plant because they were easy to grow, could be bred rapidly, and had several observable characteristics with petal color and pea color. Students, our next topic is genes and alleles. For the character height, that means height is a gene, the trait is tall and dwarf. The allele present in the tall is the capital letter T, and the allele for the dwarf is small letter t. Students, in this video, we were learning the introductory part of genetics. In the next class, we can start the genetic problem. So, watch the video and learn it well. Thanks for watching. Bye.